The machine is specially designed for the packaging of wet wipes. It adopts vertical folding and lower film feeding mechanism. It has fast speed, large amount of liquid, tight sealing, long storage, stable operation and automatic completion. Processes: wet wipes folding, adding liquid inside and outside, slicing, bag making, sealing, counting, batch number printing. Finished product output and other special functions effectively avoid the secondary pollution of wet wipes in the packaging process. The whole machine is compact, generous and safe, which is the preferred equipment for pillow packaging of wet wipes at present. This is a pillow-style back-sealed wet wipes packaging machine. The packaging quantity can be divided into single pack, 10 sheets pack, 20 sheets pack, 50 sheets pack and so on. Maximum speed 600 sheets min, or 400 sachets min. It can be customized according to your requirements.